To open Microsoft Word, navigate to the Start button. Click one time to open the Start menu. From here, scroll through the list of applications down to the W's and look for Microsoft Word. Once the Word application opens, you have the option to begin a blank document or use a template. You can also click Open to open an existing document, one that's already been created and saved on your computer, or you can open a recent document that you've recently worked on. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. You can also click in the Type Here to search and type Word, and the Word app will pop up, and over here it shows it's the app. You could click Open, or you can select from one of the recent documents there. If you plan to use Microsoft Word regularly, you can also pin it to the taskbar down here. To do that, click the Start button, navigate to the Word program, right-click, choose More, and then choose Pin to Taskbar. And then you would be able to quickly open the Word program whenever you want to use it.